Projects coming up. I will be assembling a 3-shelf cart, roll-around cart, that I picked up from Harbor Freight. There's the SKU number, if you want to follow along with me. That's coming up. And then, kind of embarrassing, but we need a chipper shredder around here. So I went to our local pawn shop, and I called a whole bunch of them in town, and the only one that had a chipper shredder was this one pawn shop. So I went over there, took a look at it. It looked clean. You know, I looked inside there, and this all looked clean on the cutting head, and yeah, I didn't look too abused. I got it home, and the darn thing has a huge engine knock. So disappointed. What I was gonna do is go ahead and rebuild the engine, and what I was gonna do is rebuild the engine and bring you along for that. But instead of doing that, I just went ahead and bought a new engine. 6.5 horsepower, Harbor Freight. It's their Predator 212cc engine. This is a 5 horsepower, I think. Yeah, I think it's a 5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. But the problem is, on the new engine, it's a straight shaft. On this engine, it's a Morse taper. So, what I'm gonna have to do, or what I did do, is buy a little adapter to take the place of this. Holding this up to the other engine, or not holding up to the old engine, it pretty much duplicates its size really well. This should be a pretty good project. This adapts a straight shaft engine to a Morse taper, or a tapered shaft, if you want to call it that. And this looks like the taper is right at the right spot. I shouldn't have to do anything funky with a spacer. I don't know where that spacer went to. Oh, here it is, right here. There's a spacer that goes right here. So if I need to suck this up towards the engine eddy, I can go ahead and take a little bit of this spacer off, and that'll give me some more room on here. But this looks to be about the right size. The only thing I have to question right now, without having the other engine out of the box, is the keyway. You can see it has a keyway there, and I have 2 keys. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit and see which works first, or I'm sorry, which works best, and we'll see what happens there. But that's gonna be the next project. First, I'm gonna hit this cart, assemble that, and do a quickie on that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.